Hello and welcome on another video of Tadpat. Today we will teach you how to make crepes. For ingredients you will need flour, milk, oil, eggs, and if you want, some salt. So, 250 grams of flour, half a liter of milk, a pinch of salt, a spoon of oil, and 4 eggs. For utensils, you will need a measuring cup, a big bowl, a spatula, a fork and a spoon, a glass, and of course, a pan. Let's start the recipe. You can use the measuring cup for flour, or use a scale if you can't. Here are the 250 grams of flour that you can put in the bowl. And now for the milk, use the measuring cup to get your half liter. You can put it aside for now and start with eggs. The glass is used to break eggs in it first so you can check if it's not rotten before putting it in flour. Use the spoon in case some shell fall on the glass. And now, take the fork and mix eggs and flour together until it's a dough. Once it looks mixed, add milk little by little and continue mixing. Do not add more than 1/3 of the milk at once and mix well between each add. And when you don't see any more bits floating, you can stop mixing. Then, put it straight to the fridge for at least an hour. When you get the dough out of the fridge, give it a mix to make everything homogeneous. Put a bit of oil in your pan and wait for it to heat. And when it's hot, start cooking. And there it is. You made easy and delicious crepes. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. We read all your comments, but only take suggestions from subscribers. So if you want us to cover a specific recipe, you know what you have to do.
Non, stop it. Regarde, parce qu'en plus j'ai...